Everybody, it's Abby. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome if you're new. So today I'm going to be doing the August empties. Yeah, it's September now. August empties. And I don't have very many products this month. I somehow didn't wear makeup that much, even though I feel like I have more and more. I don't know. I don't know how this works. Like, if I feel like I wear a lot of makeup, I don't have a lot of empties. But if I feel like I don't wear a lot of makeup, I have a lot of empties. So I don't know how that works. But I'm just going to go through the things that are in here and then tell you the totals as always. So the first things that I'm pulling out here, I don't count these in my totals, like for the $1,000 and all that stuff. So I have the Ugly by Nature Raw Whip toothpaste. I have two. I've like one fell down into my bin that I keep stuff in. So I forgot to put in my empties, but I have two of them. This is a mixed berry flavor and the extreme mint. I like the mint a lot better than the berry. It just seems weird to me, like a berry toothpaste. Which this toothpaste in general is just weird, like if you're not used to it. So, but I definitely would recommend it though if you're looking for a natural, no sodium SLS, sodium lauryl sulfate shampoo, toothpaste, because they are fantastic and actually has whitened my teeth quite a bit. And I do drink a lot of coffee, and my teeth are perfectly fine. So I highly recommend these. It's just a little bit weird to get used to. And then the first thing is this lip balm, the Cactus and Kale, not Cactus Kale, just Summer Kale. They have another thing from Pacifica called Cactus and Kale. But this is the Summer Kale lip balm. And I did use this completely up. I even I just did like all the way down to that plastic thing there. So I like this one. I have a couple backups because the last time I placed an order on Ulta, they had these for like $1 something, so maybe they're just like clearancing them to get rid of them or something. I don't know. I liked this this scent flavor, whatever you want to call it, but I've tried a few others from Pacifica and I don't like them, but I do like this one. So, and I believe this is one that you can recycle with Pacifica too. They partner with this brand called Preserve that makes like recycled razors and cutlery, like forks, knives, plastic like plates, disposable but recycled and recyclable. So they turn their products into Preserve razors. And this lip balm was $4 originally. And then I used up these Pacifica Cherry Kisses hydrating lipstick wipes. So these are fantastic. I actually used one from another pack today. It did dry out though toward the end, but it had been a long time since I used it, so I was kind of expecting it. But these are fantastic for taking off your lipstick, especially liquid lipstick, and they do exfoliate and moisturize all in one. So once you take one off and if you want to put another one right back on, then you can do that. I highly recommend these. They're hard to find. I bought a few on clearance at Ulta. Like, I feel like Ulta just like is slowly not carrying Pacifica stuff anymore. It's weird. But Pacifica is being sold on Petit Four, which I'm excited about. And these were $6. And then yet another thing from Pacifica was the Cactus and Kale Oil-Free Renewal Lotion. I mean, that's what I was thinking of when I said Cactus and Kale earlier. But this is just a moisturizer. It was pretty lightweight. It wasn't like too heavy. It sunk in pretty fast. So I would definitely recommend it if you're looking for... This is a little more sensitive, but it has... like rose in it, so if you're sensitive to rose, I wouldn't get that, but yeah, I liked it, and it was $14. And the last thing is this e.l.f. mascara. It is the Eye Enhancing Mascara in the shade Black Diamond. So I don't know what I was thinking when I bought this. This is supposed to be for like people with brown eyes, and I have blue eyes, but I don't know. But I just needed a cheap mascara that I knew would be vegan because all e.l.f. products are vegan. And what I didn't know, which I don't know why I didn't guess from the shade name being called Black Diamond, but I don't know if you can pick it up on camera or not, but it is shimmery. Like the product itself is shimmery, and it has the hourglass shaped wand, which is all fine and dandy, and it did have a little bit too much product on it. Like, I hate when a mascara, you have to sit there and like scrape it, because there's too much product and it gets everywhere if you try to apply it. But yeah, I wasn't that big of a fan of this one, and it did not remove very easily at all. Like, most mascaras, like, if they're not waterproof, what I'll do is I'll like use a makeup remover and then whatever, if some's left, that's fine. But when I wash my face and the water hits it, like I don't put face wash on my eyes, but you know, you shouldn't do that. But like just water going over it, it helps it, like it kind of runs down, and then I can just wipe the rest of it off with a makeup wipe. Or a, like if I'm in the morning and I'm in a hurry, I'll take a makeup remover on a Q-tip and then like wipe it off with the wet side of the Q-tip, and then take the other side of it that's dry, and then like get all the makeup remover off of my eye, and then it's totally fine, and it removes it, pretty much all of it. With this one, it wouldn't do that. It stayed like clumpy on my lashes. It's not even, doesn't even claim to be waterproof, so I don't know what the deal is, but I did not really care too much for this mascara. And that was $3. So total for this month is $27, which is like my lowest month I think so far. And the total for the year is $437.91. So yeah, not that much. My goal, I am like right at the edge. I need like $13 to hit my goal of reverse platinum, which to hit platinum at Ulta is $450 in a year, and so I'm almost there. But then I wanted to go above and beyond that and do Rouge, Verse Rouge, which is you have to spend $1,000 at Sephora to hit Rouge level. So I thought, like, I'm almost at platinum right now, so maybe if I can go to Rouge, or maybe we could call this like reverse diamond now. I think, isn't diamond at Ulta $1,000? I'm pretty sure. But yeah, so this idea was started by LS on the Makeup Rehab page on Reddit. So credit where credit is due. I didn't come up with this. I just thought it was a good idea. And I'm definitely not going to do this next year because this is really irritating to try to keep track of the prices of everything. I just want to, like, I feel like it's easier for me to keep on track to do monthly videos. Although one month I did like 2 in 1. But, like, next year, I think I'm just going to do, like, whenever I fill this container up, because it's, yeah, it's not worth all that. And I won't even mention the prices. I'll just say, like, what I used up, because this is taking too long. But, yeah, so I'm curious to see if I can hit $1,000 in the next, so I would need $560-ish between now and December, so September, October, November. In 4 months, that's over $100 a month, and I don't think I've had any months where I've been over 100. So maybe if I kick it up into high gear and like use up some Petit Vour stuff, because they are actually pretty expensive. So yeah, that's what I did for this video. Let me know what you think. If you have any suggestions or anything else that I could do, any video ideas, let me know, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.